Sana namang magandang umaga, good morning, and welcome to our world. Today is August 19, isang araw na lang. Tapos na ECQ. Sana naman may magbukas na parlor. Gusto ko na magpagupit ng hair ko. I wanna cut my hair short. I'm really very appreciative and very lucky to have a husband like Bern. You know, at home, he tries to work with his own hands. The effort is there. I give A for effort. A for it. Let me show you why.
Now we received our doorbell, which is a receiver, which is just plugged into an outlet, and a battery-less, no battery door knob. So you just mount it outside. It's not waterproof, so I have to think about the casing, but you just push it, no battery. And our receiver is already installed and it rings.
Where does the sound come from?
From inside, I already plugged in the second receiver, the Labang receiver.
And because the doorbell is not completely 100% waterproof, nag-print out siya na cover for it. Sa 3D printer niya ginawa. Eto pa. Gusto ko talaga meron akong, this manual bidet. Tinry din niyang gawin. Yun! Imagine that is my puwet.
But more important than the water coming out here is that no water is coming out down here, I hope. Nope, it's dry. Well, we will have to watch. I'm not 100% sure about the one which goes to the tank.
Okay. Okay, magandang umaga ulit. So, the first rider came to bring us the cheesecake that we ordered yesterday. Remember, I ordered cheesecake yesterday. So,
I guess when he went into the...
oo nga.
But it still looks quite intact.
Oo nga, in one piece. Can I try a little bit?
Yes, you can try now.
Ang sarap ng cheesecake! The second rider arrived and it's because we have to send the house keys to our property agent. Why is it like this? When I eat something sweet, I tend to feel hungrier.
Well, let's hope the lumpia is coming soon, so we have second merienda before lunch. Oh, but it's the lumpia that my honey don't like because my honey is spoiled.
Lumpiang toge yun.
Yeah, it's lumpia toke. It is sarap and it's healthy. But of course, my honey wants lumpia Shanghai
Siyempre.
because she's Chinese. Is she? No, not really.
1/4 lang. But I can speak Hokkien fluently. I grew up in a Chinese community. I studied in Chinese school until high school.
A few moments later.
Honey, what fruit did you buy earlier?
Grapes and saging. I know grapes in Tagalog.
Ubas.
Ubas.
Yes.
Ubas saging.
Oo nga. Your ubas is seedless?
He said so.
Ay, ubas nga. Grapes nga. And my favorite, saging. I'm a saging lover. Nope, no puns intended. I'm an old woman, no puns intended. I really like saging. I like to mix it with my rice and ulam. Rice and ulam.
The next day.
So we just came back from SM South Mall. We got ourselves some things we needed around the house. And it's a very hot day today. My asawa will help me install my towel hanger. And also with regards to the solar panel, we have decided to go for a bigger one. instead of the 1.6 kilowatt, we will go for a 2.7 and then apply for net metering. We're not going to get the battery because basically there is no need for it and it's not really economical. So, and remember, the main purpose why we want to install solar panels to be able to save money, save some electric bills. So with net metering, whatever energy that is being sent to Meralco, the excess energy, we will get some credit from Meralco. We will not get cash, but the amount will be credited to our Meralco account, which means if we use the aircon at night, we will have to use Meralco electricity, and with this extra credit coming from the solar panel, it might compensate the total electric bill. We are not guaranteed zero, but I am sure it will be a big help. Yep, we are going for this company called Filergy. It's a German company here in the Philippines, and I believe they are offering German quality products like the solar panels and everything that goes with it. It will be coming all from Germany. That's all. I just want to keep you updated. At nagbabalik na naman ang ating programa. Okay, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat dyan. At ito, it's a Wednesday morning. Time goes so fast. Magandang umaga, my love.
Magandang umaga.
Halika, dito na tayo sa labas.
So soon my honey has to pay tax or the BIR will hunt her down.
I'm not earning a single centavo on YouTube.
I read slightly confusing news today. So the BIR, the Bureau of Internal whatever, is now looking for vloggers and endorsers. And they say Filipino who earns money from products that they endorse have to declare tax for their income.
Oh.
Even products that they receive from Filipino companies, they have to declare the value of the product as income and pay tax on it. Now, confusing is it when it's about foreigners. If a foreigner vlogger endorses a Filipino product, he has to declare tax for it. But if a foreigner receives money from his YouTube vlogs, which is a source outside of the Philippines, he doesn't have to pay tax. But a Filipino vlogger who gets money from YouTube has to pay tax because
Automatically.
Yeah, so
But it's clear and simple.
is it?
Yeah.
Anyway,
What?
I don't care.
What if a foreigner vlogger will endorse Filipino product, then he has to pay for the tax?
Yes, he has to declare the value of the goods he received as income and pay tax for it because it's from Filipino source.
Ah, yun. Anyway, what do we care? We're not earning a single centavo on YouTube.
Yeah. And what is in Coke? Not cold.
Put it in the freezer.
Oh, if this is the burger, looks big. Let me see. Yeah, decent. French fries.
Oh.
Okay, not that big. Oh, it's high. This is actually the top, this is the bottom.
Here's one
This is-
slice of pizza.
Of course it's taped. Of course I cannot open it. Come on, guys. It's not bad. Okay, I'm slightly disappointed with the burger because it's actually not a burger. This is what we call a slider. Mini burger. Because look, this is all bun, then the cheese is not melted, and then a little piece of meat only. So the burger, no, it's not warm. The bun is not warm. The cheese is not melted. This looks like it was just taken from...
I never again. Landers, very bad.
I hope the pizza is good. I will give my so-called burger a little bit of heat.
That's his dinner and this is mine. Filipino dinner.
The next day.
We ordered from Inasal earlier, and just when I was about to prepare for lunch, I noticed something terribly wrong in the kitchen.
So this is what happens when you put the Coke in a can into the freezer and forget about it. It will explode. Well, not really explode, but the can just opened. And now we have a big mess all the way up to the wall, on the ref, on the floor, and now she's busy cleaning up her mess.
My mess?
Yeah, who forgot the Coke in the ref? Could also be my fault because I put it in there in the first place.
I didn't know that it would explode like that. I have no knowledge of science. So, lesson learned. When you put your drinks in can in the freezer, when you take it out, I don't know how to defrost it properly so that it will not explode. But nevertheless, the moral lesson is do not put your drinks in can into the freezer. It was such a mess, but finally we got it all cleaned out. We finished lunch, and so all is well. This is all for now. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We'll see you again next time.